Linking your bank to AwardWallet can help you track your rewards and manage your accounts more efficiently. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Create or log into your AwardWallet account. Visit the AwardWallet website or open the app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you are new, sign up for a free account by providing the necessary information. Step 2. Navigate to the account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In Account Settings, find the option to link a bank account. Click on this option to start the linking process. You may be prompted to read or accept terms and conditions regarding data sharing. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will need to provide your bank account information, which may include your bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues during the linking process. Step 5. Confirm and save your changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save your changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to AwardWallet and start managing your rewards more effectively. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section on the AwardWallet website for further assistance.